Hello, and what a glorious day in the woods. I'm Dr. Eric Fishman, also known as Dr. MONQ, the originator of the personal aromatherapy industry. I'm here to tell you how you can have experiences like this every day, 7 days a week, no matter where you live. You see, in addition to being a beautiful location, there are wonderful fragrances. And when we inhale in the woods, we're inhaling a tremendous bouquet of healthy air. And we have a product that can allow you to have these wellness benefits, even if you're living in the middle of a city. Even if you work in an office, take the subway to get home, and have polluted air all day long, you can have the benefit of millions of years of evolution put into a small little device that you can wear around your neck. I started MONQ with a personal aromatherapy diffuser, and we are expanding this into an entire lifestyle brand. We will be providing to you alternative methods of getting aromatherapy and the benefits of being in the forest in the very near future. So let me tell you some things about places like this. In 1982, the Forest Agency of Japan coined a word, Shinrin-yoku. Literally, it means forest bathing. Bathing all of your senses in the forest atmosphere. It is not bathing like taking a bath with water, but rather seeing the sights, hearing the sounds, taking in the fragrance of all there is in nature. I've always had a fascination with Japan, and in fact in 1985, after having studied some Japanese language, I rented a car and traveled through Japan. And what a sight it was. And since that time, it has been conclusively proven that forest bathing, also known as forest therapy in the United States, has tremendous health and wellness benefits. It has been shown to lower blood pressure, lower pulse rate, increase concentration, and lower stress, as evidenced by lowered salivary cortisol levels. A little technical, but it's been very clearly shown that just being in the woods can be helpful. And in fact, we're not talking about taking a strenuous hike. We're not talking about going down into the Grand Canyon. We're talking about a leisurely stroll, walking and looking and seeing, listening to the birds, touching the flowers, touching the plants, and breathing. Now, there have been a tremendous number of studies showing the benefits of being in the woods. And there are a lot of studies showing how just touching wood in an office can have a soothing effect, how looking at pictures of nature can be beneficial. But most of the studies that show how beneficial forest therapy is have concentrated on the aromas, the fragrance. So there are a tremendous number of studies in which scientists have taken the fragrance from the forest and brought it into the laboratory. With MONQ, we have recreated, to a large extent, the forest air. It is similar to the Paleolithic air our ancestors may have been breathing. In fact, we commonly use the phrases paleo air and therapeutic air to indicate the health and wellness benefits of MONQ personal aromatherapy diffusers.